Urgent sale. Modern private limited company Velikolookski cheese production factory. Business marginality is up to $2.7 million a year. Conditions are currently extremely favorable for entering the food production business in Ukraine. Advantages: expansion of markets for finished products, including those in Eastern Europe, along with the optimization of supply chains and cost reduction. The prospect of Ukraine's future accession into the European Union will bring in additional revenue for your business. Profitable business comprising a property complex with an area of 14,700 square meters. Production capacity for acceptance of milk up to 400 tons per day. Workshop for production of hard cheeses up to 32 tons and up to 20 tons of butter and up to 12 tons of dry dairy products per day. Chambers for cheese maturing and storage have capacity of 530 plus tons. There are also storage chambers with a temperature range of +2 to +6 degrees of 250 tons capacity and a deep freeze chamber of up to -20 degrees for 200 tons of production. The warehouse for storage of dry dairy products has a 500 tons capacity. Processes have been modernized with the installation of automated control and process systems. An automated and centralized 4-circuit washing system for all technical equipment has also been installed. Customs point, cargo terminal, international airport. Distance from the factory to the motorway of Kharkiv city is 70 kilometers. The following residential properties are included as part of the sale. Become the new owner of the Velikolookski cheese production factory. Meetings with the owner's representative are available on November the 29th, 2021 and December the 1st, 2021. Call now to book a viewing.